Top 10 biggest birds in the world. Due to their heavy weight, most of the largest birds are flightless. These are amazing. Check out the list of top 10 biggest birds in the world. 10. Pelicans. Weight is 11.5 kilograms. Length is 183 centimeters. 9. Albatrosses. Weight is 12 kilograms. Feet is 11. 8. Bustards. Weight is 7 to 20 kilograms. Length is 105 to 128 centimeters. 7. Swans. Weight is 11.87 kilograms. Length is 125 to 170 centimeters. 6. Turkeys. Weight is 13.5 kilograms. Length is 124 centimeters. 5. Rheas. Weight is 23 kilograms. Length is 134 centimeters. 4. Penguins. Weight is 22 to 46 kilograms. Length is 100 centimeters. 3. Emus. Weight is 33 kilograms. Length is 153 centimeters. 2. Cassowaries. Weight is 40 kilograms. Length is 146 centimeters. 1. Ostriches. Weight is 104 kilograms. Length is 210 centimeters. Please like, share and subscribe.